All right, let's try an example with this new found information we have. So quickly remind yourself of the normal balances. And if you want, you could pause the video and try these really quick on your own and then compare. All right, so it's asking for the normal balance for each of the following accounts. Normal balance, again, means the side that increases, side that results to an increase in the account balance. Okay. All right, so cash. So the first thing you have to do is classify it. Is cash an asset, a liability, or an owner's equity item? We can see it's not an owner's equity item, right? It's just those four. And plus, we hopefully remember from chapter 2 when we defined assets that cash is an example of an asset. If cash is an asset, all assets have normal debit balances. Okay. Your next one, salaries expense. Well, that's pretty obviously an expense account. Expenses fall under equity, owner's equity. Right, so here's equity, expenses. The normal balance, the side that increases it, is also debit. Okay, why? Because it has to have the opposite balance of equity, which is credit. Accounts payable, that term payable, anytime you hear that, that's a liability. All liabilities have a credit normal balance. Common stock is an equity item. Common stock increases equity. Therefore, it has to have the same balance as equity, which is credit. And if you forget, you can always go back here. The side that increases common stock is credit. And then lastly, dividends. Dividends is part of equity, but it does reduce equity. So it's going to have the opposite balance, or a debit normal balance. Okay. Now this is going to take some practice for you to start getting really comfortable with the normal balances. I did put an optional app that you can download for free on our Canvas site. So if you're like, I really need more practice beyond just watching these videos over and over, there is a great app called Debits and Credits. It's free. You can download it and it just quizzes you. So you can open it anywhere and just quickly tag it. Like, okay, I think it's this, I think it's that. So you can watch the video on how to download it and have fun while you learn. All right, see you in the next video.